Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
Today, I am honored to talk about the Apollo moon landing, a momentous event that marked a new era in human history. On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 landed on the moon, turning science fiction into reality and opening a new chapter in space exploration. The Apollo moon landing was not just a technological triumph, it represented the culmination of human curiosity, ingenuity, and determination. It showed the world what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and work tirelessly towards that dream. The iconic words of Neil Armstrong, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the significance of the moment. This landmark achievement also had profound implications beyond space exploration. It spurred advancements in technology, some of which we use in our everyday lives, like satellite communications and numerous aerospace innovations. In conclusion, the Apollo moon landing stands as a testament to human potential. It serves as an inspiration to all of us, reminding us that with ambition and collaboration, we can reach beyond the stars.
Today, I am eager to talk about Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor whose innovations went far beyond his time and continue to influence our lives today. Tesla's story is not just about his inventions, it's about his extraordinary imagination and perseverance in the face of adversity. Nikola Tesla, often overshadowed by his contemporaries, was a prolific inventor and a brilliant mind. He is best known for his development of the alternating current (AC) electrical system, which is still the standard for global power distribution. This system enabled the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances, revolutionizing the way we use energy. Tesla's contributions weren't limited to electricity. He had a hand in the creation of radio, wireless communication, and even concepts that laid the groundwork for modern-day robotics. His foresight in these fields showed a man thinking far ahead of his time. Nikola Tesla's legacy is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and relentless pursuit of scientific discovery. He reminds us that the ideas and creations of one individual can change the course of history.
The human brain is a subject at the forefront of neuroscience. This remarkable organ, though small in size, is vastly complex and the source of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. The brain's intricate structure, composed of billions of neurons, enables us to perform a range of functions, from basic survival instincts to advanced cognitive processes. Recent advancements in brain imaging technologies, like MRI and PET scans, have allowed scientists to observe the brain in action and understand how different regions are involved in various tasks. The study of the brain has significant implications for treating neurological and psychological disorders. By understanding how the brain operates, we can develop better treatments for conditions like Alzheimer's, depression, and epilepsy. Understanding the human brain is not just a scientific pursuit, it's a journey into the essence of what makes us human. As we continue to explore this complex organ, we unlock mysteries of the mind that have intrigued humanity for centuries.
In this era of unprecedented change, the synergy between entrepreneurship and technology stands as a beacon of progress. Entrepreneurship is the engine of growth, driving forward through innovation and adaptation. Technology, its indispensable ally, provides the tools that transform vision into reality. Consider the rise of mobile technology. It has revolutionized the way we do business, obliterating traditional barriers to entry and enabling even the smallest venture to have a global reach. This democratization of business opportunities fosters a more inclusive economy, where anyone with an idea and a smartphone can become a key player. Concurrently, technology thrives on the challenges presented by entrepreneurial endeavors. Each new startup idea prompts technological advances as solutions to real-world problems, further fueling the cycle of innovation. As we look to the future, remember that entrepreneurship coupled with technology holds the power not just to create businesses, but to solve some of humanity's most pressing issues.
In today's lecture, I would like to explore the interconnection between ecology and economics through the lens of ocean conservation. The health of our oceans is not just an ecological concern, it is intrinsically linked to the economic stability of communities worldwide. Sustainable fishing practices ensure the longevity of marine life, which in turn supports the livelihoods of millions who rely on the sea's bounty. Moreover, marine ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating our climate. By protecting our oceans, we are investing in natural capital that offers returns in the form of climate resilience, which is essential for economic planning and development. As we venture into our various fields of study, let us remember that the principles of conservation and economics are not adversaries but allies. It is in this synergy that solutions for a prosperous and sustainable future lie.